if you ask me, mas maganda na mahirap pumasa, ibig sabihin, quality ang pumapasok, kaysa maraming pumasa, baka hindi quality. But I think 14% is really,
but it has been,
maybe this is the lowest.
Tumataas na po because, I mean, in 2024, nakarating po tayo ng 17%, preceded by about 5 years of 11%. Tumaas tayo ng 2024 ng 17%, nag-14% tayo ng 2023 and 2024. 2025, nag-15% na po ulit tayo.
So mas mahirap pa maging abogado? Mas mahirap pang pumasa ng CSC kaysa maging abogado?
Marami na pong nagsabi yan sa amin kasi po I think the difference is yung type ng exam. Sa pag-abogado kasi or teacher or engineer, focused po yung discipline na pag-e-examan mo. Ito lang, yung engineering skills na nag-specialize ka. Ito po kasi aptitude.
Pero ang workaround kasi niyan is magsi-COS siya.
Yeah.
Tama?
Yes.
So doon ang nagiging butas.
Yes.
14% nga ang pumapasa, marami bumabagsak. Ang ginagawa naman, magsi-COS route naman siya. So wala, it defeats the purpose rin. Baka there's, from a policy, ang daming yes po dito. Maraming nag-agree sa akin.
I know.
No, but ang ano ko lang, baka from a policy standpoint, you have to look at the workaround kasi baka naman nag-CCUS sila dahil hindi sila pumapasa, then it defeats the purpose of the civil service eligibility.
Kasi yung fit po kasi ng kahit may eligibility ka, perong training, experience, wala ka nun. Yun kasi yung hindi nagmamatch yung qualification standards. And this is why also, kasi outdated na rin po yung qualification standards natin. Ang last review was 15 years ago. Marami na pong outdated na positions, marami nang mababa ang sweldo na positions, IT na po tayo. Ang sweldo ng mga IT ang bababa pa. So we have a new study, we have embarked on a study together with the UP and SIPAG to review the qualification standards across all positions. Probably we can finish this in 2 years or 3 years para ma-submit to the President and to the appropriate agencies for review para matignan po yung qualification standards natin. Kasi ano na po, masyado mas matanda pa po sa akin.
So can we, so maraming policy review that you need to do.
Yes.
Napansin ko lang, ito, I think na mga nandito would agree, na nagiging lusot lang nila ay mag-COS. So it defeats the purpose. No? Bakit pa tayo mag-exam kung pwede ka naman mag-COS? No? Maybe you should look at that. Hindi ko alam anong solution, Chairperson, but I'm just saying, maybe you should look at the entire continuum.
Magkagadugtong
po correct, yung continuum.
Magkagadugtong po yan, systems po yan. Like, we cannot talk about qualification standards and etc. without again looking at the kind of exams that we have.